Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. This video is for beginners and this is the easiest method to solve the cube. The same method my daughter has used and she could able to solve the cube in just 2 minutes. So the same method I'm going to show you how to solve it. So this cube have 6 sides: white, yellow, green, blue, red and orange. So it has 3 layers and this is called centerpiece. This remains in the same place. So this will not move. This is centerpiece. This is edge piece and this is corner piece. This edge piece will have only 2 colors. You can see all the edge pieces will have only 2 colors and this corner piece will have 3 colors. You can see. So first we are going to solve it layer by layer, top, middle and bottom layer. So I will shuffle it now. First step is choose any color. Here I am going to select red. Opposite to red is orange color. We have to make a diamond shape here with the opposite color. So orange, 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 orange should come. Okay, we'll start first step. So orange is here. I need to bring here. Then one more orange is here. I need to bring it here. What you need to do is turn it this way, then up. Okay, one more orange is here. Or you need to bring it here. Okay, turn it side, bring it here, this side. Now up. Done. One more orange is here. So this needs to come here. So turn. Okay. Turn. Done. Now we got a diamond shape of the opposite color. Next step is we have to match this colors. So this is already in match. So once we matched it, we have to move it down. Okay. Orange, yellow, yellow. Just tilt this down. Okay. Now next orange, white is there. So we need to keep it in white. Turn 1, 2, down. Next orange, green. Keep this in green. Turn 1, 2. Okay, down. Next orange, blue. Keep it in blue. Turn 1, 2. Okay. Now we got plus with the same colors. Then this is also matched. Orange, green, green. Orange, white, white. Orange, blue, blue. Orange, yellow, yellow. So our first step is done. Now second step is to do the corner ones. Okay. So orange is here. Orange, yellow and green. Orange, yellow, green. So we need to see where it is. Orange, yellow, green. So this piece has to come here. So I'm just turning it here. Okay, now orange, yellow, green, orange, yellow, green. Okay. Keep the cube. Orange should face you. Okay. If this has to come up. So what we need to do is hide it in the opposite side. Okay. Hide it in the opposite side. Then bring this one down. Then bring this back again here. Then up. So now this is done. Next orange, white and blue is here. So orange, white, blue. So keep orange facing you. Okay, this has to come here. This piece has to come here. Okay, so I am hiding it in the opposite position. Opposite, bring this down, bring this back. Okay, then up. So this is done. Next, orange, yellow, blue. This has to come here. Orange, yellow, blue. Okay, bring this up. So opposite side, down, turn, up. Now the position is right, but the side is wrong. Okay, now what we have to do is this has to come up. Same method you have to follow. If this has to come up, whatever here should come up. Same thing. This has to come up. So hide, down, bring it back, up. Now we got orange here. Same formula. Hide, down, bring it back, up. So now you got this one. Okay, now only one orange is there, so keep it in that position. Orange, green, white, orange, green, white. Okay, this you have to move here. Keep orange facing you, then hide it in the opposite position. Okay, opposite side, bring this down, bring this back. See, now 3 orange are there, then up. So now our first layer is done. Green, yellow, blue and white. Okay, first layer is done. Now this middle will be same. So we got T. This T has to come. Orange, and we got T all the side with the same colors. Next is this edge pieces we have to do. If you want to do this edge pieces, only the piece here can fit either this side or this side. Okay, so we need to find which piece has to come here. Okay, first select any colors which is here. Okay, this has to come either here or here. Okay, now I have yellow and blue this side. So we have to keep, yellow means you have to keep in yellow. So yellow, blue is here, yellow, blue. So this piece should come here. Same thing, if this has to come here, hide it in the opposite position, opposite side. So hide, okay, bring this down, bring it back, okay, then up. Then if you see, orange is here, again we have to move orange up. Okay, hide it in the opposite side, bring it down, move it this side, up. See, now this is done. Next, white and green. So keep it in white. White, green, white, green. Okay, now this piece has to come here. Move it in the opposite side, bring this side down, turn this side, then up. Okay, now orange is here. Orange we need to bring it up. Done. Okay, now this is also done. Now white and blue. White and blue has to come here, white and blue. If this has to come here, then we have to hide this in the opposite side. Okay, hide, down, bring it back, then up. Then turn, orange is here. Orange has to come up. Okay, turn, down, turn, up. Now this is done. Now here yellow and green has to come. Okay, yellow and green is here. So turn it to the yellow side. Yellow, green, yellow, green. So this piece has to come here. So if this has to come here, hide it in the opposite side. Down, turn, up. Orange will be this side. Then turn, down, turn, up. Okay. While doing this edge piece, you will have one more scenario, like the piece will be right but the colors will be different. So here what you need to do is same thing. Whatever piece is here, you have to bring this up. Okay, for this scenario, whatever piece is here, you have to bring this up. So hide it in the opposite side. Down, turn, up. Orange is here. Turn, up. Now you have to see where is the piece. So now blue and yellow is here. Okay, you have moved it down. So again this has to go here. Opposite side, down, turn, up, then turn, down, turn, up. So now this is done. Now we are done with 2 layers. So to do this 2 layers, we need only one formula. With only one formula, we finished 2 layers. So next is we have to do the third layer. For doing the third layer, we need some formulas. Once these 2 layers are completed, the next step you have to do is you have to check below if there is a J, any side like this with the same red color. This 3 should be J, either this side or this side. Any side the J should be like this. I don't have a J now. Okay, now first formula is J formula. Once this is done, you have to see below whether J is there. If not, you have to do J formula. If you have J already, then don't do J formula. Okay, since I don't have J, I'm going to do J formula. You can keep cube in any position. Okay, now J formula is like this. Okay, J and a line. So down, first one line, then here one line. Turn. Now J is done. Then up one line. So tilt this down. Okay, this one down. Then this one has to come this side. Bring this back and bring it back again. Okay, now I got a J. See, okay. Next step, same. Once you got J, next step is we have to get a plus here with the same red. Now here it is red, here we need red color. So same J formula, you have to keep your cube like this. It should be in J position. Keep your cube straight and again do the J formula like this. Turn, turn, then here one line. Turn this down. Okay, now turn, we have to join this and we need to join this, then bring it back. Okay, now we got a plus. So our J formula is done. J formula is to make J and plus here. Once you got J, do J formula again to get plus. Once J is done, once plus is done, next step is to match the edge pieces here. Okay. Now white is already matched. This is not matched. This is matched. This is not matched. Okay. Now we need all these colors to be matched with the centerpiece. Now only this and this color is matched. Any two colors, either this color or opposite color, any color, two colors are matched. If none of the colors are matched, also fine. If two colors are matched, also fine. Okay. If none of the colors are matched, you can keep the cube in any position and do this formula. I will tell you the formula. Okay. If two colors are done, which color is matched, you keep the cube in this position. Okay. Like this, because this is not matched. This is matched. Okay. So you have to keep the cube in this position and you have to do one formula, that is corner formula. Okay. This is wrong. This is right. This is wrong. So this is right. Now we have to do a corner formula. Okay. I will show you how to do the corner formula. Corner formula is to match this edge pieces here. Okay. Corner formula is down, turn, turn, up, turn, down, turn. It's joined, pull it up. Okay. Now white is here, yellow is here. Okay. Now you have to keep and see whether any colors are matched. Now green is matched, white is matched. Now these two colors need to be matched. Okay, same formula. Since these two are matched, we need to keep the cube in this position. This we have to interchange. Okay, same formula, corner formula. Down, turn, turn, up. Okay, then turn. Now orange will be here. Down, turn, up. Once you are done, then match the center colors: yellow, green, white and blue. So now all these colors are matched. So we have saw J formula and corner formula. Okay. Next thing to do is, now this is done. This corner piece has to be matched. Okay. We need to check whether any corner side is matched. Okay. This is done. This is already there. Green, white and red. This is wrong. Okay. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. Okay. Now next formula is Levin formula. Levin formula is to make the position right. Okay. Now here we need white, blue and red. Okay. We need to do Levin formula to bring right corner cubes in that position. Okay. Now whatever you got right, keep that in your left side and then start doing this Levin formula. Levin. Okay. Then down. Okay. Turn. Down. Bring this back. Up. Bring this back. Up. Once you have done, match this middle colors. This middle color should not change. Okay. Now this is done. Now see, we got the cube, the corner side in the correct position. Okay, blue, white and red. But it is changed. That's okay. We'll keep this aside. Now we have to check other sides also. So this is also right, but the colors are changed. Fine. So this is also right. Now we got all the corner cubes in right place, but the colors are interchanged. So to bring the colors in the right position, we need to do corner formula again, but both the sides we have to do. Okay. Now this is right, this is set, so I'm keeping this in the left side. Now I'm going to do corner formula. Okay. Corner formula you have to do only when this piece in the right place but the colors are changed. Okay, this corner formula you have to do in both the sides. This is the final formula. Okay, now I'm going to do corner formula in both the sides. First this side I will do. Down, turn, turn, up, turn, down, turn. This side is done. I'm going to do this side. Opposite side you have to do. Down, turn, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up. Okay. Now this we got right. Now same you have to do this side also. Down, turn, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up. Same you have to do this side. Down, turn, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up. Okay. Now this is done. This is done. Now this side. Down, turn, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up. Down, turn, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up. It's done. Now the cube is solved. So to finish the last layer, we need to get J plus. For getting J and plus, we need to perform J formula. Once J and plus you got, we need to match the center colors. Okay. If the center colors are mismatched, then you have to perform corner formula in only one side. Then once this edge pieces are done, you have to do this corner cubes. If corner cube is done, one side of the corner cube is done, you have to keep this side always on your left. Then if this is not done, this is entirely different, then perform 11 formula. Once you got all the cubes in the correct position but the colors are interchanged, then you have to perform corner formula both the sides. So these are the formulas you have to follow for the last layer. So now our cube is done. We have taken around 2 weeks to do this cube. So starting we are solving this cube in 10 minutes. It took 10 minutes for us. Even for Kiki also, she took 10 minutes. Then with full practice, daily practice, now she is able to solve this cube in 2 minutes. So you have to practice daily. This is a very simple method for the beginners to learn and easy to understand also. You have to practice it daily, and if you practice daily, sure you can do it within a minute also. Try this. I hope this video is useful for you, and please comment, subscribe and like to our channel, and thanks for watching my video.